Hey guys, it's me, and I'm back. Okay, today I am doing a collab with Stanky Cheese. Hey girl, hey. And there's a lot of other awesome ladies that wanted to join this collab. And it is a collab to show you, well, it's a collab of Mem Dex swapping. Like I stated before, I only have 2 now. And I want to get the collection going. So if you want to swap, let me know in the comments. This is open theme, open, I mean, it doesn't close. It's not like you have to send me it by such and such date, or it's, you know, Christmas theme. It's whatever, whenever you get a chance. Always going to be going on. And it's just to get, you know, friends and get our Mem Dexes out and connect with each other. So, I'm going to show you guys, if you don't have a die cut, if you don't have a silhouette, I'm so sorry. I'm washing my bedding down and it's going insane. If you don't have any of those things, then I'm going to show you how you can make one at the right sizes and measurements, even though your girl has no idea how to measure. I know how to measure inches and half inches, okay? I don't know 1/16 of an 1/18 of a quarter of a centimeter. Don't even go there, okay? But I can do half inches and inches. It's kind of like $1 and $1.50, right? Okay. So, what I do is I always have, like, I will take a pretty paper, right? So I'll get my pretty paper and then I will cut that, and it's always at 4 inches wide. Okay, let me do my cutter. You girls can see that. 4 inches. Oh my gosh, really? Okay, here we go. So cut it at 4 inches, which is right here. Always 4 inches wide. Now, how tall do you want to make it? Doesn't matter, but it can be over 4 inches typically. I always like to do 4x4. So that's what I'm going to do. That way it gives me, because a typical Mem Dex, let me show you, is 4x3, typically. I do 4x4. Can you girls see that? Yeah, okay. It's always 3x4. Now this is a little up, you can do tabs. But I do 4x4, and I usually cut 3 to 4 of these, depending. Now my front side's always pretty, my back side's always pretty. Haha, get it? And I usually build it up in the middle, so it's really thick, it's really sturdy. You can take it in and out all the time. Okay, so let me show you what I've done. I have this. This is what I always use. You girls don't have a die cutting machine, that's fine. Do you have a planner punch board? If you do, you can use that too. So I've done it to where you always want to measure 2.5. Oh boy, I had this earlier. 1.5 and 2.5. So 1.5 and 2.5. I have this perfectly lined up. I punch it, I cut it. Just a little tiny slit, nothing intense. Guess what? You don't have a planner punch board, you have a hole punch. Let me show you. 1.5 and 2.5, right? 1.5, 2.5. So this is a 4x4 square, okay? 1.5, 2.5. And you cut it. just a little slit. Always remember 4 inches wide, and you can go as tall as you want. Do you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let me show you. Here's my Heidi swap. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Okay, it fits perfect. What about this one? What about the one I made? It's gonna fit just right in there too. Okay, the thicker it is, the better and the more sturdy it will be. Okay, let me show you some examples. And look how fun this box is. You know, Miss Bonnie at Bonnie's Corner, she makes these, and I made mine, and I don't know if I have a tutorial. See, this guy, he's not fitting in because of the snowflake. So if you want to go over, that's what's going to happen. But he'll fit in here. See? But he's tall, so he's going to fly. He's going to fly off. Do you see how thick I make that? So, you know, it can bend, and it can, it has sturdiness to it. So if it, you know, you're taking it in and out to look at people's addresses. Look at that one. Okay, you can make it from whatever. This is vellum. Anyway, I don't think I have a tutorial. I did show you girls that I did make this. This is out of a tiny shoebox that my daughter's shoe came in from Target. And I took it all apart and I redid it. Look at this one. This one's a shaker. You have your acetate. Actually, this is vinyl. I sturdied it up. I thicked it up. It's a 4x4. But guess what? I made it taller with the ribbon. Look at this one. Okay, this is whatever, like a die cut. Think out of the box. This was a pumpkin, and I'm like, oh, that would be so perfect to make a die cut out of, or a Mem Dex. And then I sewed around it. I used, look, I'm getting trashed up over here, guys. Oh, here it is. But you know, if you don't have that, that's okay. Use your hole punch. So you think whatever you want to make, and you see, it doesn't have to be an index card. It doesn't have to be just paper. Use vellum, use acetate. I know I've showed you guys this, but I love it so much. I love this one. Oh my gosh! There we go. You know, I love that. It's tulle. And you just want to make sure that it goes in and out, and it's just fun. This one, the topper is a doily. I just have so many fun things. And this one was my first ever. And this is just a base, and I just cut it because I didn't have my die yet. And I did it with my punch board. Just very simple. Now, if you do have a die cut machine, like your Sizzix, Big Shot, Spellbinders, Cuttlebug, Evolution, Sidekick. I think a Sidekick might be too small, but all those. Also, if you have a Silhouette or a Cricut, there are die cuts on your cut files. They are on there. So, guess what? You can also buy them from Allie. So there's that one. Haven't used this one yet, but this one folds. This one's an envelope. So there's a lot of options, but if you're not fancy and you don't have anything fancy to cut with, it doesn't matter. Okay, use a Plano ruler. Let me get it. Okay, 4 by 4, 1.5. and 2.5, and there's your punches for your holes. And all you need is a ruler, scissors, and a pencil, and a hole punch. That's all you need. Okay? I hope that helped. I'm gonna link Stanky, oh my gosh, Stanky girl, Stanky Cheese down below. She has a list of all the girls that want to do this. I'm open for swaps. If anybody wants to swap with me, you see how many I have that I've made on my own, which are tons. It includes this one. So let me know. Let's get this going. Let's make friends. Let's get our creative juices going. And all you need are just, these can be bought at the Dollar Tree. I mean, if you have this, great. If not, that's okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know. Bye.